This is Phoenix. Phoenix is obsessed with the hose. Where's your hose, Phoenix? Where is it? He spends time out here by himself, biting at and attacking the hose. But I don't know if he'll play with it with me. There you go. Good boy. What's the matter? There's no water coming out of the hose? That is so unfair. Hi. Go get it. What? You want that? What do you want? Phoenix, what do you want, buddy? You want that? You want it, Phoenix? Okay. All right. Watch out.